guys, for math this week, we're going to continue working on graphs and data. Today, we are going to be focusing on a graph called a pictograph. So our learning target is I can interpret a pictograph. And interpret means I can read a pictograph and understand what it is telling me. So picto, do you see the beginning of this word? Yeah, that's just like picture. So a pictograph uses little pictures to symbolize a certain amount. So that is why for our math talk today, I showed you this. So we can see a pictograph here on the left and a bar graph here on the right. We worked on bar graphs last week. So this is the number of meals served by St. Paul Public Schools during the COVID-19 stay-at-home order last spring. So each milk carton down here symbolizes 100,000 meals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 500,000 meals in March. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900,000 meals in April. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900,000 meals in May, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700,000 meals in June were served. And the same information that is in this pictograph is displayed here on the bar graph. Which one do you think is easier for you to understand? I'm sure that we would all have a different answer to that. Well, let's take a look at this data table. So this is about weather over summer break. So number of days in the summer that had this kind of weather here. So sunny, there were 24 days of sunny weather, partly sunny, 28, cloudy, 12, and rainy, 16. Okay, so if we were to make this into a pictograph, we would need to change this data here into pictures to symbolize the amount. So let me show you here how I can construct this. Oops. Let me put myself over there. Okay, so here's our data table. So on our frequency table here, or in our pictograph here, we have our title, weather over summer break, sunny, partly sunny, cloudy, rainy. So the same variables as here in our table. And our key, instead of each one of these dots symbolizing one day, we could have each of these dots equal 4. So therefore, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, or in other words, 4 times 6 is 24. And this one here, 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 times 4 is 16. So we can see this is a pictograph with this information. So the work we're going to do today independently is going to be working on pictographs. So you're going to open up your attachment and it says the pumpkin carving contest. So each of these pumpkins, just like in our example we just went through, equals 4 pumpkins. So Monica carved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 4, or you could take out a piece of paper and do some addition, or however you'd like to solve these. How many pumpkins did Monica carve? Well, 6 times 4 is 24. How many did Wayne do? When you see half of a pumpkin like this, what is half of 4? If you were to cut that in half. 2. So the half pumpkins represent 2. So Wayne carved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 4, which I know is 28, plus 2. Yep. Wayne carved 30 pumpkins. All right, I'm going to leave the rest for you to do. And I hope that you enjoy your work on crafts today.